What's the meaning of Amish? Amish. 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 Amish.
Amish refers to a religious group that originated in Switzerland in the 16th century. The Amish's way of life is characterized by simplicity, humility, and community living. They typically live on farms, dress in plain clothing, and reject modern technology, such as electricity and cars. Instead, they rely on horse and buggy transportation and manual labor. The Amish value strong family bonds and are known for their skilled craftsmanship in areas such as woodworking and quilting. Though they are a small minority in the United States, the Amish have a distinct and enduring cultural identity.